You want to study in UK, but you have no idea how to write a great personal statement for your UCAS application. Well, in this video, I'm going to give you a powerful yet simple step-by-step guide on what questions to address in your personal statement and how to answer each of them. What's happening, everybody? Hope your week is off to a great start. Today I'm back with another awesome video to help you unlock the secret of writing the perfect personal statement for your UCAS application. If you're new here, my name is Z and I make possibly the most helpful videos for students who want to study abroad. I like to share helpful tips around your entire journey to ensure that you can become successful as an international student by making the best education, career, and lifestyle choices. So make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon to stay tuned to my next videos. Look, your UCAS personal statement is your ticket to success for your admission process in UK. I understand that you may be worried that your personal statement won't impress your dream university's admission team. The competition's tough and it can be overwhelming. Let me reassure you, it's natural to feel this way. Now picture yourself crafting that personal statement with confidence, knowing it will stand out among a sea of applicants. And that's exactly what you'll be able to do after watching this video, as I'm about to reveal the 5 secrets to creating a personal statement that guarantees your spot in a UK university. Trust me, you don't want to hit submit on your UCAS application without knowing these secrets. So we'll break the video down into 5 essential segments. First, we'll explore the definition of a personal statement and why it's a vital requirement, along with what it must effectively communicate. Then we'll move on to the breakdown of sections and clarify what questions you should address in each one. Along the way, I'll share valuable insights and key things to keep in mind when writing your personal statement to ensure it truly shines. Lastly, in our conclusion, we'll sum up all that we have learned, leaving you fully armed with the knowledge and confidence to write a great personal statement. Here's what we're going to be covering in this video. Definition of personal statement and why it's required, what questions to address in each section, things to keep in mind when writing your personal statement, and lastly, conclusion. Before I get into the details of each point, if you're wondering how much it will cost you to study in the UK as an international student and the total detailed breakdown of every cost that you may expect, make sure to download my cost of study guide in UK from the comments below, or probably the link is going to be mentioned somewhere. Make sure to download it. It's going to give you a detailed overview of all the costs and expenses that you will incur in UK. Now let's cover the definition of a personal statement and why it's required and what it must communicate. So what exactly is a personal statement in the context of a UCAS application for international students? Think of it as your voice, a written testimony that speaks volumes about who you are. It offers admission officers a unique and personalized insight into your character, your experiences, your motivations, and your aspirations. But why is the document required? Why does it matter so much in the admission process? The answer lies in 4 critical reasons. Number 1, differentiation. Your personal statement helps set you apart from the crowd. It's your chance to stand out in a sea of applicants who might have similar academic qualifications. Holistic assessment. Universities aren't just interested in your grades and test scores. They want to know the complete you. Your personal statement provides a comprehensive view, allowing admissions officers to assess you beyond the numbers. Number 3, motivation assessment. It's a tool to evaluate your enthusiasm for your chosen course of study and the reasons driving your pursuit of education in the UK. Number 4, passion and fit. Your personal statement is where you get to express your passion for your chosen field. It's a canvas to showcase your relevant experiences, and it's the place to demonstrate how you align perfectly with the course you're applying for. Now let's talk about what your personal statement must communicate. It's not just about putting words on paper. It's about conveying your uniqueness or your dedication and your suitability as a prospective student. In a sense, your personal statement should communicate these elements. Why you're applying. This is where you explain your motivation for pursuing higher education. Share why you have chosen a particular course or field of study. What inspired you? What are your long-term goals? Number 2, academic relevance. Showcase your enthusiasm for your current studies and demonstrate the knowledge and skills you have that are applicable to your chosen field. Number 3, interest and passion. Express your genuine interest and passion for the subject matter. Share personal hobbies, extracurricular activities, or volunteering experiences that may relate to your field of study. Number 4, unique attributes. Emphasize your personal and practical skills. Show how they collectively portray you as a promising and accomplished student. This is going to be the best part. Now let's dive deeper into the structure of your personal statement. You should break down your personal statement into 5 sections, each with its own purpose. Here they are. Section 1, writing about the course. Section 2, skills and achievements. Section 3, hobbies and interests. Section 4, work history. Section 5, career plans. All right, let's now learn how you can answer each section. Section 1, writing about the course. If I were you, I'd be taking notes. In this section, you'll be addressing several key questions. First, why are you applying for your chosen course? You can answer this by sharing your motivation for selecting the specific field of study. Perhaps there is a personal anecdote or a pivotal moment that ignited your passion for the course. For example, you might say, ever since I participated in a robotics competition in high school, I've been passionate about engineering. Pursuing a degree in mechanical engineering at XYZ University is the next step in my journey to become an innovative engineer. Next, answer why the subject matter interests you. What excites you about it? Whether it's a particular aspect of the course or a real-world issue related to it, express your enthusiasm. Dive deeper by discussing specific books, articles, or projects related to the subject that have captivated your interest. Relate all of this back to your aspirations. For example, you could mention reading The Selfish Gene by Richard Dawkins made me realize the profound impact of genetics on our world. Studying genetics at XYZ University will enable me to contribute to this exciting field. That's just an example for you. Then address why you believe you're a suitable fit for your chosen course. Highlight any relevant experiences, skills, or knowledge you possess that make you a strong candidate. Whether it's through work experience, volunteering, or part-time jobs, provide a detailed account of how these experiences have prepared you for success. If you have quantifiable achievements, don't hesitate to mention them here. For instance, you could say something like this. Through my volunteer work at a local NGO, I developed project management skills and successfully organized a fundraising event that raised £5,000. If your previous or current study is relevant to the course, be sure to explain how it sparked your interest and prepared you for this new journey. Connect the dots between your prior academic pursuits and your chosen course. Mention specific coursework or projects that demonstrate your readiness. You might share, my A-level coursework in chemistry sparked my passion for the subject and solidified my desire to pursue a degree in chemical engineering. Mention any relevant extracurricular activities or personal projects that showcase your dedication. Highlight how these experiences have enriched your understanding of the subject. For example, I've been an active member of the robotics club where I have designed and built innovative robots, reinforcing my passion for mechanical engineering. This section is where you lay out the foundation for your admission by showing your deep-rooted passion and alignment with your chosen field. Section 2, skills and achievements. In this section, you should focus on listing your skills that are relevant to the course. Additionally, provide specific examples of achievements that not only demonstrate these skills, but also showcase your ability. For instance, if you're proficient in coding, you could mention how you developed a mobile app that simplifies task management, thereby showing your strong foundation in computer science. Furthermore, don't forget to include any awards or positions of responsibility that highlight your dedication and leadership qualities. For example, earning the Gold Award in the Duke of Edinburgh program is a great testament to your commitment to personal development and perseverance. This section is all about demonstrating the practical skills and achievements that make you an ideal candidate for your chosen course. Section 3, hobbies and interests. In this section, mention your hobbies and interests, explaining how they have shaped your skills, character, and perspective. Also clarify how these hobbies and interests relate to the skills and experiences needed for your chosen course. For example, if you're passionate about photography, mention how it has honed your attention to detail, a valuable skill for your intended graphic design course. This section offers insights into the qualities that make you a unique and well-rounded candidate. Section 4, work experience. In this section, provide detailed insights into your work experiences, including placements, voluntary work, or jobs. Clarify how these experiences have influenced your choice of course and equipped you with new skills or clarified your future plan. For instance, if you had an internship at a marketing agency, explain how it enhanced your marketing and analytical skills, affirming your interest in pursuing a marketing degree. This section highlights your practical experiences and their impact on your educational and career choices. Section 5, the last one, career plans. In the final section of your personal statement, describe your future career aspirations after completing the course. Consider how your chosen course is an integral step in achieving these goals. Explain how the knowledge and experience gained throughout the course will help you achieve those goals. Provide a clear roadmap outlining how the knowledge and skills gained through the course will position you for success in your desired career. For example, you could write something like, I aspire to become an environmental policy analyst, and I believe that a degree in environmental science will equip me with the expertise required to drive sustainable change in the world. This section offers a glimpse into your vision for the future and how the course you are applying for aligns with your long-term career goals. These are the key questions to address in each section, and they play a crucial role in shaping a compelling and holistic personal statement for your UCAS application. If you still need help with writing your personal statement, I own an education consultancy company called Connected Education, where we help students just like you with your entire admissions, visa, and career development journey to become an international student in the UK. If you want to learn more about our services and how we can help you, make sure to sign up to the comments below. Now we're going to learn how to polish your personal statement to make it perfect. When crafting your personal statement, there are several key factors to consider that can make your application truly stand out. Number one, follow length and format. Your personal statement can be up to 4,000 characters long with a 47-line limit. That's about 550 to 1,000 words, roughly one side of a type A4 paper. Number two, follow conciseness and clarity. Be concise in your answers to the questions, avoiding unnecessary details. Get straight to the point and stick to what's most relevant. Proofread your statement carefully to eliminate grammatical errors, of course, and ensure clarity. A well-written statement is more likely to leave a positive impression. Number three, make an engaging opening. Your opening sentence should grab the reader's attention, but it's essential not to be overly gimmicky. Use your opening to introduce yourself and explain your motivation for the course. Showcase your understanding of the subject. Convey your enthusiasm for the subject. Show that you're genuinely excited about what you'll be studying. Avoid overused cliches and overlong or gimmicky openings. Don't use phrases like, from a young age, for as long as I can remember, or I'm applying for this course because. Create an opening that's uniquely yours. Write about your course interests. Clearly state why you want to study the course and how it aligns with your goals. Be specific about what interests you. Explain your current interests and why you're eager to learn more about the subject. Avoid generic statements. Instead, provide current and relevant reasons for your interest. Number 5. Avoid cliches. To make your personal statement stand out, don't use common things. It's best not to use phrases. To make your personal statement stand out, don't put things that everyone else would. Avoid using quotations or popular quotes from some philosophers or people that you may know, because those things are often frowned upon by admissions officers. Your own words are the most powerful in expressing your motivation. Number 6, consider beginning your introduction last. Crafting the perfect opening sentence can be challenging. To tackle this, consider focusing on the main content of your statement first. Write the introduction last, after you have already built the body of your statement. This approach allows you to create an opening that effectively reflects the essence of your personal statement. By incorporating these advanced tips, your personal statement will stay within the character limit while being engaging, unique, and well-crafted. Remember that the true strength of your personal statement lies in allowing your own experiences, passion, and goals to shine through your writing. These tips will help you create a compelling and effective personal statement that sets you apart from other applicants. That being said, I really hope applying these strategies help you get into your dream university in UK. If this video helped you, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. It would mean the world to me. If you're planning to study in the UK and looking for guidance related to your admissions, visa, and career development, make sure to sign up for my company through the comments below. Also, if you want a detailed cost of study guide related to studying in UK, make sure to download the ebook from the comments. It's free. Now, as your next step step. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to ask in the comments below, and remember to subscribe to stay updated with more strategic videos like this. Look, you're not alone on this journey, and I'm here to support you every step of the way. So stay driven, keep setting big goals, and hey, don't forget to be great. See you when I see you.